back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Liza and I go by Jami Love on social media. For today's video, I am doing a two-part video. The first one is going to be the eyeshadow look and the second part is going to be the rest of the face makeup. Okay, so clearly this video is pre-recorded, and what I meant was I was doing a two-part video, one for the eyeshadow, one for the Fenty review. I already posted the one for the Fenty review. If you haven't already watched it, go check it out, and let's get into this eyeshadow tutorial. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. If you would like to know how I do my eyebrows, I do have a 1-minute tutorial on my Instagram. Make sure to follow me. I'll put it right up here. And I know 1 minute isn't long enough and I'm not explaining the steps. They're really self-explanatory, but I don't even know if that's the correct word. Anyways, I'm going to be posting it to my YouTube channel just so I have a full brow tutorial for the new year. So I'm going to bring you guys a little closer, well, a lot closer and personal, so you can see every single thing I'm doing to my eyes. I'm going to add onto my lid the rest of this concealer that I was using to clean up my eyebrows because we don't want to waste no product. And I'm going to take my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and apply some over that because I finished my Tarte concealer and I should have got one today since I was at Sephora, but I forgot. Once you prime your eyelid, you want to blend it out with a damp sponge. This sponge that I'm using is from Real Techniques. You can purchase this sponge at your local drugstore or at Walmart, Target. All of those places carry Real Techniques products. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using my very first Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsession palette, and it's this little baby right here. And I purchased this one because I don't have any of these colors on any of my palettes. So to begin, I'm going to be dipping into this shade right here. It's so pretty. One of the main reasons why I got this palette. But it's so cute, it even has a mirror. The price for this little palette was $27. It is a little pricey for me, but I think it's worth it. I'm just going to tap that blue into the crease, and I'm really going to pack it because I want it to be really bright. And once I pack it in there, I'm going to lightly blend out the edges onto my brow bone. So now that we have blended out this blue eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with a different brush, a more precise brush. So I'm going to take this shade down here, and I'm only gonna take a little bit because I don't know how dark it might be, and I'm gonna place it right in the crease. Next, I'm going to be using this blue right here, and I'm just going to take this same exact brush and I'm going to apply it underneath that gray shade that we applied on our crease previously. And I picked up some more of this shade down here, and I'm gonna take some of this one as well, and I'm just gonna blend them both together right here. Just to have more of a smooth transition between those colors. Now Now I'm going to take some of my LA Girl concealer in the shade Cool Tan. And I'm going to take a small flat brush like this. And I'm basically going to cut the crease just halfway, not all the way. And I'm not gonna take that crease way up there. I'm just gonna keep it down here. So basically just like that. Now I'm going to take a small flat brush and I'm going to spray it with my Mario Badescu facial spray. And I'm going to pick up some of the silver green right here with this flat brush that I already sprayed. These shimmers have like parts of glitter in it. You can see if it focuses. Do you see it? It's so pretty. And now I'm just going to apply it over that cut crease. Okay, now once again going back into this shade right here and just smoking it into the glittery shade that we just applied onto the lid, just so there's like a smooth transition and no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take the same brush going into that gray that we placed in the crease and repeating the same process. Smoking it into that glittery shade. And then I'm going to go back into this one just to intensify it a little bit more up here because it feels like it's mute. And I want it to be present. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Cosmetics Liquid Matte Eyeliner. And then right at the end of that liner, since I don't want a wing, I'm just gonna take my Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm gonna use this black eyeshadow, this black eyeshadow shade right here. And I'm going to smoke it. I'm going to make the liner a little bigger down here for a little bit of drama. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the black and the gray shade and smoke it out so you don't see the line where it ends. Oh, don't worry about the mess down here. Just take a makeup wipe. This was like the smartest thing invented, makeup wipes. And just clean up right down here like that. Like I said, when we added the bowed wing, we were basically gonna cover the green, so I'm applying a little bit more. And that is it for the eye mascara, and this mascara is by Clinique. I'm going to apply the eyelashes, do the next eye, and I'll see you for the finished look.